share your experience.
He opened this hotel 1960.
January.
1962 or 60? 1960 January. In that time, one idli was 1 rupee 20 idli. 1 rupee 20 idli. 1 rupee 20 idli. Now 1 idli 15 rupees, but cheap and best. This is very tasteful. And here, Dr. Ambarish was sitting here.
Okay.
Dr. Ambarish, you know, Karnataka famous Mandyada Gandu.
Okay.
He's the actor and he was in politics also. He was
Okay.
very grateful. Shatrugna Sinha knows about Ambarish
Okay.
and Vishnuvardhan sir. They were all eating here. This is very famous and tasteful.
Okay. मार्केट में तो बहुत सारे दुकानें हैं.
English, I will
Different.
tell in English.
Okay. ये different.
Morning 6 o'clock it opens. 9 o'clock close. Previously it was morning 4:30 to 5 o'clock.
Oh.
Now morning 6 o'clock. Morning idli, set dosa, masala dosa, plain dosa. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗು bath, any rice bath and puri. And at 11 o'clock to 1:30.
And nine clothes.
9 or 9:30. Sometimes if more people come, 8:30 close. Otherwise 9:30.
Okay. Then open.
Open 10:30 up to 1:30. ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತು, ಮೊಸರನ್ನ, ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ, ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಬೋಂಡ, ವಡ, ಮಸಾಲ ವಡ, ಪೂರಿ. He is very famous. He born in 1960, I think. His hotel opened in 1962. Krishnana was he told me he born in 1959. His hotel opened in 1962 and very famous. 64 years. 64 years. This hotel is there, but how many years it will continue, we don't know. Because at the time of opening there are 8 to 10 persons. Now only 2 persons are here. So this is the story about Idli Mane or Bhattara Hotel.
Thank you, sir. Your name, sir?
Satyamurthy NR, Mysore.
धन्यवाद.